When I tell you I screamed when I saw that Ariana Grande had sent me this parcel. Okay, maybe not her specifically, but we can pretend. And look at the size of this package. It's as big as me. This is not a drill. Chapter 4 of R.E.M Beauty is finally out. And they finally launched some complexion products. And there's a lot of interesting things in this launch. First up, we have their new multitasking concealers, which are supposed to apply with this beauty blender and this really cute spoon. And then they've done something really cool. They've also come out with a black and white concealer. The idea is that you can lighten or darken any concealer shade. We also have a blurring primer. And what could possibly be in this? Guys are gonna have to wait and see. Let's start with a blurring primer. Oh, this is interesting. Are you guys seeing this? That's so weird. It literally looks like it's glowing. It's a very thick consistency, but I like it. But will it blur my skin? I actually think it's done a good job. Like, look, my pores are gone. I love how it sits on my skin as well. I'm actually really picky with my primers, but I really like this. Can we talk about their concealer shade range? I'm gonna start off with Light 3C. You see how it's quite pink? This will act like a color corrector and cancel out any darkness under my eyes. How cute is the shape of this beauty blender? I mean, it's definitely brightened. And some Light 4G for some actual coverage. I love how these are blending out, although I don't like this beauty blender. And then let's brighten with Fair 9N. Just finished my makeup and honestly my under eyes are flawless. It's definitely a yes from me.